Hey girls. We increase, motherfucker. Slight fail on the ATVs, but this'll do. Santorini, baby. Woo! Got ourselves a little daybed action. It's looking real nice. Woo! I'm gonna do a video. Is that nice coming back from the bathroom? My turn. Okay, time. Day one. It's happy hour served, ladies. Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yamas.
Someone dropped some message last night. Between my feets. Between my feets.
Judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. And I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, but I'm like this. You're the one I trust. I'm just coming back to let you know I can never say it on the phone. They'll never let you go this time. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep in it till I feel your touch. Hey, hey, hey. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep in.
Like serving us with the tray and everything.
If Chris really does end up cutting a video for us, that
I
has
know.
to make it in there. Hello. That should be like the first
We should
cut.
we
Welcome
should
to
definitely
Grace.
in some of the videos say something like a shout out to him. Like, all kind waves over there. So while he's
Thanks,
going
Chris,
through
make this
it,
video
yeah,
for
you
us.
gotta put this part in the video or something like that.
Chris, we need this.
That last video though, make sure you put that in there. babe. Like something. I almost just sucked the anal. I didn't think I'd ever say that.
Those sunglasses with your necklace, just like it makes your necklace look like it's neon.
Really, it's not too much.
I'm about to get it all up in your face.
Yeah, you don't all of them.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna edit that. That's so cute. If it's counting, does that mean it's filming?
Oh no.
Chris!
Shit. The whole time. Bye.